Good morning, students. Today we will continue this chapter number 6, our food. So, open your book at page number 50. Let us read. Preparation of food. All other animals eat their food raw or uncooked. Human beings eat only some food like fruits and salads raw. Most of our food is cooked to make it soft and tasty. Cooking with heat also kills any germs that may be present in the food. The food items should be cleaned and washed well before being cooked. Cooking is done by boiling, steaming, grilling, baking, roasting, or frying. Boiled and steamed food is the healthiest of all other processes as most nutrients are retained in the food. Most nutrients are lost if food is overcooked. Come to the next page 51. Preservation of food. We know that mold, a fungus, grows on stale bread. Thus, eating stale food is harmful for our body. Fresh food is the healthiest for our body. However, there are means to preserve uncooked as well as cooked food, such that they may be consumed later. Food may need to be preserved for several reasons. When we are traveling, it may not be possible to find food wherever we go. Then it is a good idea to carry packaged food. Seasonal food can be preserved for consumption in off-season. This way, one can eat peas in summer and mangoes in winter. Drying, canning, bottling, pickling, and refrigerating are some of the means of food preservation. Keeping the food in the sun or heating of food kills the germs. Storing food in the cold or in airtight containers does not allow the growth of germs. Oil, salt, and sugars are preservatives that slow down the growth of germs. Most of the food we eat are cooked, but we can eat fruits, salads raw. Overcooked food is unhealthy for our body. So boiled food or steamed food is more healthy. Preservation of food means keep the food healthy and germs free for future. There are various ways to preserve the food. We can add oil, salt, sugar to preserve the food for a long time. Refrigerating the foods also helps to preserve the food for a long time. Germs cannot grow in airtight packets, and these packaged foods are very helpful for traveling because we cannot carry food all the time. Cooling in refrigerator or heating in the sun or drying in the sun kills the germ and retain the goodness of food for long time, and it slow down the growth of germs. Okay, so read this, student. Now look, number 2 and 3 is your homework for today. A. Roughage is plant fiber that is not absorbed by the body. B. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of iron in the body. C. Carbohydrates give us energy to work and play. D. Proteins are known as bodybuilding food. E. The strong need for drinking water is called thirst. F. Protective food supplies us with vitamins and minerals. Question number 3. Write T for true or F for false. Let us start. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. True. The major portion of a balanced diet should consist of sweets and fatty food. No, we should not. So it is false. C. All food items should be overcooked. No. So it is false. Vitamins and minerals are needed in very small quantities. Yes, so it is true. Pickling is a method of food preservation. Yes, it is true. Okay, so student, I have done these answers for you. Do it in your book. Hope today's topic is clear. See you in the next class. Bye bye, students.